Ever wondered about the intricacies of trading Riot or Riot Blockchain Inc. in the ever-fluctuating market? Let's start by looking at the broader picture. Tech stocks have been soaring, hitting all-time highs. However, a correction could turn this euphoria into volatility, affecting the entire market. Now, let's shift our gaze to the crypto resurgence. Cryptocurrencies have been on an upswing, and stocks like Riot are reaping the benefits. Let's delve into the specifics of trading Riot and shed light on the potential risks and rewards. Riot, a crypto miner stock, offers a unique blend of opportunities and challenges. Let's delve deeper into what makes this stock tick. Recently, Riot has shown some impressive moves. It has broken through its consolidation at 13.48 and the rally is on, thanks to a substantial volume backing it up. But it's not all smooth sailing. The stock has hit a preliminary resistance at the previous trading range of 22.72. This resistance is holding firm for now, but prepare for another showdown. At its current price, Riot is a higher risk buy, or perhaps you may consider the strategy of dollar cost averaging in at levels under 13.48. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price target of 22.72. It's a tantalizing prospect, but here's the kicker. Riot may not be as robust as we'd like it to be, so it's crucial to have a plan B, or perhaps exercise a bit of patience at lower levels. Don't be taken aback if the stock decides to take a detour and revisit 4.82. Trading Riot might be a roller coaster ride, but with careful planning it might just be the thrill you're looking for. Remember, the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a game of patience, strategy, and calculated risks. Trading stocks like Riot requires a delicate balance between taking risks and reaping rewards. In our journey today, we've seen the potential upside that Riot and similar stocks might offer, given the continuation of the crypto trend and a stable broader market. These stocks, straddling the worlds of traditional markets and the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies, can offer unique opportunities for those willing to ride the waves. Yet let's not forget the inherent risks. High volatility, lower liquidity, and the potential for sudden market shifts are realities we must be prepared for. It underscores the importance of conducting your own thorough research, managing risks wisely, and investing responsibly. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. In the end, trading is as much about strategy as it is about understanding the complexities of the market. So, stay informed, stay alert, and stay ahead of the curve. Remember, the market is a game of strategy, and the key to success lies in understanding its complexities. Until next time, happy trading.